go check out a few of the EVs that are just baking in the sun.
I love it. I love the fact that these manufacturers went all in on EVs, and now they're sitting there forced to watch them bake in the sun and just rot.
Okay guys, we're gonna head back to the overflow lot. Go back and check out one of our videos previously. It's been a while, but there was an overflow lot that a lot of the dealers weren't necessarily acknowledging. So we're gonna come back and we're gonna check this out and see if this overflow lot is still overflowing or if inventory is selling. So let's go check it out. Yeah.
How tilted towards EVs is it now?
Oh.
There was a lot of EVs. Oh, Shane, here it is.
Here we go.
Oh.
Here we go. Here we are.
Well, we're getting a lot of wind noise on the camera.
It is gonna be a lot of. Sorry for the wind, guys.
Is it as loaded? Maybe it's thinned out a little bit.
Still, Jared, the AutoNation stuff, and how many? These are all, Jared, these are all EVs here. Mercedes
EVs, all EVs.
baking in the sun. Dip some barbecue sauce.
These are so baking in the sun.
I cannot believe this. This dash is as crispy as some nuggets from Chick-fil-A.
It's a 2024 Mercedes AMG EQE sedan.
I mean, who wants this thing that's just been, crispy?
$116,000.
How much?
MSRP. $116K.
Jared, it has spider webs on the wheels. Yeah, I wonder if you can even see what the delivery date is. I mean, these are not cheap cars.
They have addendum stickers on.
102, folks. 102 for a crispy dash cooking in the sun.
Getting some nice caramelization. Have nice snap, crackle, and pop.
Jared, this tire is almost oxidized on this side here. Look at this tire, guys, on a brand new car that's been sitting here. I know, somebody's gonna be like, who cares? Just
appearance protection for 3 years, dent protection, and clear guard. What a bunch of crap.
the EQE 500. Just make sure that it's not coming from an overflow lot. Look at these. And on, and on, and on, and on. Oh my gosh. What happens when you go all in on EVs? And more and more. Yep, and there's more over here.
Oh my gosh. Now here's, oh Shane, it's worse. The Volvos, remember?
Oh, we got, yeah, so we just went through the Mercedes here.
Oh my gosh. It's bad, folks. It's bad. It's bad, folks. They've been here so long, there's like weeds growing up.
Yeah, weeds growing around the tires. So they got these delivered and the guy just said, hey, just go park them over it.
These are still the same.
Oh gosh,
cars
you guys.
here. Oh my gosh.
Okay, we just scratched the surface. Look at this line of cars here.
Oh, there's more. They weren't to the left before. Look at all of these. Friggin' Mercedes just up the...
Kind of weird on an unprotected lot that's just open. I don't see a lot of security cameras. Just kind of bizarre.
Because they have nowhere to put them.
Yeah.
There's so many, they have nowhere to put these.
And then we've got Volvo over here. I see some Aston Martins. Oh my goodness.
So these are all still 24s. Interesting.
Which have been on back order, right? So they finally got delivered.
The car inventory is ridiculous.
So this sucker, again, beautiful paint. I don't know if you guys can appreciate those swirl marks on the front, but also new, but a 2023. And I mean, $108,000, 2023. It's concerning, folks. More EVs out here.
Stuff blowing.
Well, this one still has.
This
Interesting.
property is controlled by.
Oh, wait. This property is patrolled by VP Security Services.
Look at all that.
Very
Look at all
secure.
that Hyundai electrics. Inventory blowing in the wind.